In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Copilot responses to Word or TXT file. If you've ever had a great exchange with Copilot and wanted to keep it for documentation, share it with a teammate, or simply reference it later, this quick workflow will help you move that content into a document you control. First, open Microsoft Copilot in your web browser and navigate to the specific conversation you want to export. Make sure the entire chat you need is visible. If parts of a response are collapsed behind a show more or similar prompt, expand those so everything you care about is on the page. Scroll through to confirm you can see the full series of prompts and replies before you copy. Next, copy the conversation. Click inside the chat area, then drag from the beginning of the conversation down to the end to highlight the text you want. If you prefer, click at the start, hold Shift, and click at the end to select a large block in one go. You can also try Control+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to select everything in the chat pane. If that selects the entire page, just click inside the chat again and refine your selection to the content you actually need. Once it's highlighted, press Control+C or Command+C to copy. Keep in mind that links, lists, and code blocks will usually carry over well into Word, while images and embedded media won't copy into plain text. If you only need certain answers, it's fine to copy those sections instead of the entire thread. Now paste it into a Word document or a plain TXT file, switch to a blank Word document, Notepad, text edit set to plain text, or your preferred editor, place your cursor where you want the content to go and press Ctrl+V or Command+V. In Word, choose how you want it to look. Keep source formatting will preserve headings, lists, and code styling, while keep text only strips all formatting for a clean, consistent look. In a TXT file, everything becomes plain text automatically, which is perfect for quick notes or version control systems. If the text appears cramped, add spacing between each turn to make it easier to scan. For longer chats, paste in sections to avoid missing anything. If you see odd colors from a dark theme, use clear all formatting in Word to normalize it. And for code, switch to a monospace font like Consolis or Courier New for better alignment. That's it. You've copied your Copilot chat and pasted it into